What's up, guys? We're here going to Rilla. We got a Rilla. Oh, yes. Alright, we are getting in. What's up? Today is a cooking day. Me and Zeb we went to the market. I just finished coming back from the market. Bought some food. We're gonna start cooking for acquaintance later. Woo, that's bad. How does that happen, man? Oh no. Oh no, the popo. The popo is here. The popo. The popo. Yo, I'm back here at the dorm now. So I'm a chili picker now, and this is for some beef halang. Hey, how much chili do we need?
Yeah, that's fine.
Yeah, we're gonna make this shit fire. So going back, someone took our grill over here. It's supposed to be right there. Right there. I don't know where it went. So I'm heading to the back of our layer where we are going to prepare the food for later's acquaintance. So we got Master Chef Zeb. What's Gucci, bro?
Yeah.
So we have here some chicken and some beef, all of them spices and all of them ingredients that we need to make this food taste delish. Yo, I'm crying out here, man. This is bad. I'm cutting onions. I'm wearing gloves. I don't know why we're wearing gloves, but this is not nursing life. I can't even open my eyes correctly, bro. Oh no, now my nose is dripping. Is this supposed to? I can't open my eyes. Look at these chinky eyes, bro.
My man.
Oh gosh, this is really bad. Oh man,
We look siya.
I'm trying, bro. Oh gosh, bro. It's like foggy. Oh. I don't know how this guy's not crying. Shit. You don't feel the burn, bro? Look at my eyes. Damn, it's like fucking red. Oh.
Hey bro, why you crying, bro?
I still have like 8 onions to cut. I got this. I got this. Finished cutting all the onions. I'm pretty surprised I survived from this. So like, here's the onions into the beef, and then I'm gonna open this for the marination. Put it in there. Put it in there.
Ano oras na? Good. Ano oras pala kain? Yan. Good. Gabi pa man siguro no. Alas 7, alas 6.
What the fuck? What's up, bro?
What's up, man?
What's Gucci, nigga? Yeah.
Hey,
so we
kamusta
making...
sa taas? Yeah, I'm back, man.
Yeah, this nigga is back from hell.
Yep.
It's lit. Every day.
Every day is lit.
Every day is lit.
Oh. Ha? Wala pa.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm taking over.
Taking over. So like,
vlog. Yep.
this is what you do. Since we don't use this for fucking cooking.
That's how you do it, man.
Fuck it, bro.
How to wear gloves.
Gotta wear gloves. This is for protection, man. Fuck, put it the wrong way. Put it the wrong way, bro. So this is for extra safety. No. You don't want that AIDS. Guys.
Yep. You see the master chef?
Fucking Master Chef's annoying, bro.
Yeah, watch out, Gordon Ramsay.
Fucking food poisoning, you guys. Sorry for the profanity.
Can you see this guy chopping chili?
Fuck, shit. Slippery. Oh shit. It's flying everywhere, dude. What the fuck? Is this even? Fuck, crush it? Smart idea, bro. So this is Chef Zebio. Yeah. Yeah, I'm in his right hand. I don't know what I'm doing right now. See this? This is what you do. So we're gonna start cooking now. It has begun. First with the bulad. What's Gucci, bro? So tiny.
Yo. Dili, okay ra. Basta magluto ka dyan.
So we're a bit late, but every day is lit.
Electric
Yeah,
stove.
doesn't matter.
I-mix ka isa.
No, test this out if it's delicious. I don't know.
Pwede na.
It's good. It's good. It's good.
Oo, nasa likod.
Oh shit! I'm gonna have a break real quick and get some peaches. Get my peaches in here. Ooh, is it cold? It's cold. Zip, catch.
What is this, bro? Is this jelly?
Got them peaches on lockdown. So me and Zara are taking a break from preparing the food while they cook.
Yeah.
We got peaches. So we didn't expect the rain to come, but either way, we're still cooking out here.
I got my pincers, bro.
It's lit every day. And we're trying to cook the beef over here. Yeah. So if you guys don't know what this is called bulad. It's a Filipino salty fish. What's up, Diane? She's preparing the chicken.
Isa ka nang gagmay tamban.
The what?
Tamban.
Which one? This one? The small one?
Yeah.
This one? This one.
No, this is boneless damgit.
So this is danggit,
Yeah,
This
and
is-
that is tamban.
tamban. That's hot, boy. So I'm back in the room. So we're letting the others do the cooking while we wait here until it's finished, and then after that, time to grub. They told me to go check the chicken. So it is grounded, and I got shocked. Even this guy got shocked. Yeah. I don't know how he's not getting shocked. So this is not Hell's Kitchen. The electric Escosa's kitchen with a slight shock to it.
Nakulo na.
So yeah, we're almost done. We're just finishing the last batch of chicken. We got Master Chef Zeb, Master Chef Kenny. Yeah. We got the Subba Bros. Support. Yeah. Support system.
We're grilling every day.
Grilling every day.
Every day.
It's lit every day. So there's no one here. It's so quiet. This guy told me to get him food, and he's asking someone else. This guy right there. He asked Krantz to get him food. Hey bro, where are you going? What's Gucci, nigga?
1, go!
What's Gucci? This is something called the Deo poster. Alright, do it, man.
This must be butt out and chest out.
What is this?
You walk with that.
It's hard. It's freaking hard.
It's the hardest thing you can do.
Hardest thing you can ever do.
I can't do it, look at it.
Try.
I'll try. I don't know, bro. What the fuck?
You're too man to be gay.
I'm too man.
Back the foot.
Yeah, it's in my
Okay, everyone.
Okay, we're going into a dark room. It's very dark in here. There's no lights. Oh my god.
Ayo! Lucky!
You go first, man. Ladies first.
Kuha na lang, daspan ko na.
Ladies first, and I follow.
Sige, wala ko yung sini kuya. Sige,
There was someone in here the whole time. I didn't get that on the point, but there was someone. We're just gonna check that.
Diri na to, ako lang hindi ko hama to.
Ghost hunters.
Nag-iisap ko dyan. Bon! Pasok lang ulit.
What's up, guys? So I didn't make an outro last night, so I guess this is the outro. So yeah, we just finished our acquaintance last night, and it was be sure to hit that like and subscribe button down below and comment down below for more content. I'll be uploading the next days. All right, peace.